For the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, you must be able to differentiate between Amazon Aurora and Amazon Redshift. They might sound similar, but they serve fundamentally different purposes, and the exam loves to test this distinction with scenario-based questions. The core of the difference lies in understanding OLTP versus OLAP. Let's start with Amazon Aurora. Think of Aurora as a high-performance, supercharged relational database. It's designed for online transaction processing, or OLTP. These are the databases that power your day-to-day applications, like an e-commerce store processing customer orders, a banking system handling transactions, or a mobile game saving player progress. Aurora is fully compatible with both MySQL and PostgreSQL, which makes migration easy. Its big selling points, which you need to remember for the exam, are its speed and high availability. AWS claims it delivers up to 5 times the throughput of standard MySQL and 3 times that of standard PostgreSQL. It achieves high availability and durability by replicating 6 copies of your data across 3 availability zones, ensuring your application database can withstand failures with minimal disruption. Now, let's switch gears to Amazon Redshift. Redshift is not for processing live transactions. It's a data warehouse built for online analytical processing, or OLAP. Think of Redshift as the database for your business intelligence team. Its job is to run complex queries on huge amounts of historical data to find trends and generate reports. For example, a retail company might use Redshift to analyze petabytes of sales data from the last decade to understand seasonal buying patterns. The key technology behind Redshift's performance is its use of columnar storage and massively parallel processing, or MPP. This architecture allows it to scan and aggregate massive datasets far more efficiently than a traditional row-based database like Aurora. The most common exam trap is presenting a scenario and asking you to choose the right service. The trick is to identify the workload. If the question talks about a customer-facing web application, a transactional system, or the need for a MySQL-compatible database with high availability for an operational workload, the answer is almost always Aurora. If the question mentions business intelligence, analytics, running complex queries on large datasets, or a petabyte-scale data warehouse, your mind should immediately go to Redshift. Here's a simple mental shortcut to keep them straight. Aurora is for your active applications database, the system that's constantly reading and writing small bits of data. Redshift helps you reflect on historical data to gain insights for reports and analysis. So, if a company is building an app to sell tickets, the ticket sales transactions go into Aurora. When they want to analyze all ticket sales from the past 5 years to forecast future demand, they would use Redshift. Understanding this fundamental difference between running the business and analyzing the business is the key to mastering these questions on the exam. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.